Franklyn Gimbel, so I'll ask you again the question I asked you on the phone a minute ago. Who right now is the police chief in the city of Milwaukee?
Well, the police chief really is Alfonso Morales, because the action that the Fire and Police Commission took on August 6th, which demoted him from chief to captain, has essentially been vacated by Judge Christopher Foley. Now, since the day that that event occurred, Steve, Chief Morales has tendered his retirement, and he's been receiving retirement pay. So there has to be some kind of review of how he is going to reassume the responsibilities of chief of police. And I expect and anticipate that probably not sooner than Monday, because City Hall doesn't really work on a weekend, that I will have contact by the city attorney's office, within which we'll have a discussion to work out the details to implement Judge Foley's decision. It is a clear win for Alfonso Morales.
As a practical matter here, does this order from the court just give you more leverage to get a bigger financial settlement out of the city of Milwaukee, or is Alfonso Morales going to want to put his uniform back on and walk back into police headquarters?
Well, one thing that I've learned over 60 years as practicing law is that the client makes the decision, not the lawyer. I have sent Chief Morales the decision of Judge Foley. We have discussed it with some level of joy, because he has been vindicated. The decision of the court demonstrates that there was no basis for the Fire and Police Commission to take the action that they did in the manner that they did. And so I have asked him to wait until we hear from the city about how they propose that we implement the decision. And that's what he's doing. When and if I have that conversation, I should say if and when, because they have to address this matter. Yeah. We will look at options, and then the chief will make his decision, not his lawyer. So as of Monday of next week, he may be polishing his uniform buttons and go back to the police station. And whoever else is sitting in that chair for the moment is going to have to find an alternate chair to sit in, or there will be a discussion about some kind of a financial resolution that would be an alternate to doing that. I can't say with any level of certainty in this conversation, Steve, that he has instructed me to go down one road or the other.